Hey Tupelo, Dr. Carver here with another quick video. Today we're talking about factory and industrial workers, why they're more prone to back pain, and what they can do to fix it. There are a few factors that put these patients at more risk, so I thought I'd take a minute to explain the most common ones and what you can do to take care of them. So the first concern is repetitive movements. This is a really big one. This may be lifting, bending, reaching, or twisting. Factory workers typically perform the same job functions throughout the day. This leads to uneven wear and tear and instability. Because this is part of their job, we have to develop a plan to minimize the wear and tear and protect the damaged area so healing can occur and they can continue to work. The second issue is standing for long periods of time, especially on concrete. This creates two problems. One is prolonged standing puts the spine into extension, meaning it straightens it out. When this happens, it causes excess pressure on the joints of the spine. They begin to decrease in space and can cause inflammation, irritation, and ultimately pain. Because these joints are responsible for movement of the spine, you'll see mobility issues and dysfunction. This has to be addressed in order to get these patients well. Another common issue with prolonged standing is the constant weight of the body can begin to flatten the arches in the feet. This causes something called pronation. What happens here is you'll see a flattening of the arches, which causes rotation of the knees, the hips, and the spine. This posture can also cause uneven wear and pain. In many cases, this problem will continue to return until this is corrected. So, you've got this type of pain, what can you do to fix it? In our office, we have a pretty good track record with these patients because we have a lot of therapies that work really well. Now, every case is unique, so we develop a personalized treatment plan for each individual. However, there are a few things you could expect to help solve your problem. One is chiropractic care. We're always going to assess the joint function and make sure they're performing at their best. We know if a joint isn't moving properly, it isn't functioning properly. This helps resolve the abnormal positioning and function of the problem area. Two is we may prescribe a brace to wear while you're working or doing anything strenuous. A good prescription brace will help to offload pressure from the damaged areas to more stable structures, so your back can begin to heal and you can continue to work. Once the problem is resolved, it's a great tool to help minimize future flare-ups. The third strategy we like to use is to build custom orthotic inserts for your feet to correct any distortions in the knees, the hips, and the spine that may be coming from your feet. Our patients love these because they work really fast and they feel great, and employers love them because they make it so much easier and more comfortable for workers to perform their jobs. So that's it. Just a few strategies that we use here to get factory workers out of pain, back to work, and most importantly, back to health. If this sounds like you, if you've been struggling with back pain, or if you just have questions, give us a call or reach out online. We'd be happy to take a look at your case and let you know if we thought we could help. As with anything, the faster you catch this stuff, the easier it is to take care of. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you're finding these videos helpful, and share with anyone who you think might need it. Have a great day. God bless.